Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can enable or disable voice over Wi-Fi service on your Infinix cell phone. Well, voice over Wi-Fi is a service that allows you to make and receive voice calls and send text messages using a Wi-Fi connection. It is basically the added feature of voice over long-term evolution or voice over LTE. Anyhow, Jazz is the first company that introduced voice over Wi-Fi service in Pakistan, which is useful especially in areas where the networking signals are poor. So to enable or disable it, go to your cell phone dialer and then click on Settings. Here under SIM and Network Settings, go to your service provider, which is Jazz in my case, and then scroll down and go to Wi-Fi calling. Then just toggle this slider to turn it off. And when you try to turn it on, it informs you to check whether it's free or not, which you can check under the questions and answers section on their website. Anyhow, exactly the same way you can turn it on your Infinix cell phone. And when you will turn it on, it will start showing on the status bar of your cell phone. And this is how you can enable or disable voice over Wi-Fi service on your Infinix cell phone. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.